In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Okta Developer account. By the end, you'll have a free developer environment ready to explore authentication, build integrations, and test securely without needing a credit card. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar or your search engine, type developer.okta.com. Before you click anything, take a quick glance at the URL and make sure you are on the official Okta site. That simple check helps you avoid look-like pages and keeps your account secure. Once you are on the Okta Developer sign-up page, you'll see plan options. Choose the free plan for developers. This edition is built for testing and prototyping. Gives you a dedicated developer org to experiment in, and is the easiest way to try Okta features without cost or commitment. Now fill out the sign-up form. Enter your first and last name. Then your work email. Use an email you can access right away, since you'll need it to activate the account. Next, select your country from the drop-down. This helps Okta tailor regional settings and communications. When you are done, check the I am not a robot box. If you are prompted with a quick puzzle, complete it to verify you are a real person. Then click Sign Up. If you spot a typo, especially in your email, fix it before submitting so your activation message reaches you. After clicking Sign Up, head to your inbox. Look for a welcome or activation email from Okta. It may take a minute to land. If it's not there, peek into your spam or promotions folders. Open the message and click the activation link or button. If you had the Sign Up tab closed, no problem, the link will take you where you need to go. You'll be guided to set your password. Create a strong, unique password that meets any on-face screen requirements, like minimum length or character types. Avoid reusing passwords from other sites, and consider storing it in a reputable password manager to keep it safe and easy to find later. Once your password is set, your developer account is active. You are ready to sign in and start exploring your new developer org, testing sign-in flows, and building integrations at your own pace. As a quick tip, bookmark your Okta sign-in page so you can return quickly in the future. And that's it. Thanks for watching.